Go
You
ahead.
have it going? Oh, great. So the birds are after us. There's a baby bird.
Red robin.
A red robin in our garbage can, a little baby, and the mother and father are over here stalking me. They've almost attacked me twice. We wish we had that on video, but let's see if we can get something on video here, folks. You hear the noises? Let's see, that ain't one. You got the red one in the tree? That's the robin in the tree, folks. I'm going in.
Do not rush, because you're going to make him nervous.
Any activity?
No activity. You made it.